welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to cook a yummylicious Assamese style mutton curry simply called Sagoli Anja. The recipe is simple and flavorful yet delectable, where the meat is subtle and cooked with minimal spices. But before we move ahead, do watch this video till the end, and if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe. And now let's check out the ingredients required for this dish. Mutton, potatoes, peeled and chopped into halves, bay leaf, ginger, cumin seeds, onion, Indian 5-spice or parched puron, garlic, turmeric powder, salt, green chilies, dried red chilies, and oil. And now let's start cooking. First of all, take a grinder, add your ginger, garlic cloves, dried red chilies, green chilies, cumin seeds, parched puron, and little water. And grind it into a smooth paste. Then add this paste into the meat bowl along with turmeric powder and salt. Mix them well and marinate it for an hour. Heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your parched puron, a pinch will do, and let it splutter. Then add your bay leaf and sliced onions. Saute this until the onions turns translucent. Your marinated mutton and potato. Stir it well, cover and cook it for 10 minutes. Now open cook this on high flame, stirring continuously until the water from the meat is completely dry. Add 4 cups of water. Give it a stir. Cover and cook this in a low flame for 1 hour, occasionally stirring in between. Once the gravy achieves a consistency of your choice, your yummy mutton curry is ready. Here is the dish. The meat is tender and the gravy aromatic and gentle, while the potatoes made it all comforting and mushy. Just the flavor from this mutton gravy is making me go drool, and I'm sure you will be drooling too. And now it's time for me to dig in. and don't forget to smash that like button.